I want to demonstrate writing some functions. I'm going to start off with the code from section 4.7 of the textbook, which we went over in class today, which gives us functions for making windows and making turtles. I'm going to write two more functions. The title of the window we made is Tess and Alex and Dave dancing. So I want to make Tess and Alex and Dave dance. So in particular, I want to make two functions. I'm going to call one of the functions fly, and I'm going to call one of the functions spin. So the fly function, let me write the doc string, and then I'll come back and say what the parameters are. Fly is going to make a turtle go forward the specified distance without drawing. So from reading my doc string here, I can tell the function should have two parameters. One should be the turtle, and the other parameter should be the specified distance. So let's go ahead and put those parameters in. The spin function is going to make a turtle spin around the specified number of times. So again, I can see I've got two parameters here. One is going to be which turtle, and the other is going to be how many times to spin around. So I'll put in two parameters, turtle and how many times to spin around. And now let me show you how I want to use these functions. I want to make Tess fly 50 places, and I want to make Alex fly 100 places, and I want to make Dave fly David 150. And the reason why I want to do this is that I want to put each turtle in a different location. And then I want to make each turtle spin around 3 times. So let me write a for loop to do that. I'm going to say for t in Tess, Alex, Dave. So we get all 3 of the turtles and they go in the right order. And then I'm going to say spin the turtle around 3 times. So, okay. So now I've expressed how I want Tess and Alex and Dave to dance, but if I run this code, it's not going to work because I haven't written the bodies of these two functions. So let's go ahead and write the bodies of these functions. Let's see. So here in fly, I want to make the turtle go forward the specified distance, but I want it to do it without drawing. So before I start, I'm going to need to do pen up. And I guess that after it gets to the right location, I should do pen down. So there's the body of my fly function. Now let me focus on spin. It says make a turtle spin around the specified number of times. Okay. I want my turtle to spin clockwise. So let me say turtle.right. And then how many times do I want it to spin? Well, how many degrees do I want it to spin? I want it to spin around n times, but each turn, if it wants to go all the way around, needs to be 360 degrees. And that's actually all that I need to do to accomplish what I said the spin function is going to do. So now I've defined fly, I've defined spin. Oops, I see a red exclamation point here. That means there is a syntax error. I look backwards and I notice I left out a parenthesis here. So let me go ahead and put in that missing parenthesis. And now I see the red exclamation mark goes away. I have no syntax errors. All my functions are defined. I'm calling all my functions. Let's go ahead and run this. I just noticed I forgot one thing, which is to run main loop so that I can see what happens. So each turtle went forward, and now each turtle is spinning around 3 times. The turtles are dancing.